How to listen to Spotify songs offline. So if you want to listen to Spotify songs offline, then what you need to do is you need to open up your Spotify at first and start by finding the songs that you want to go ahead and download. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and download a song, like for example this one. And here right beside the three dots, you will have a download icon, right? You need to tap on the download icon. Alternatively, you can also tap on these three dots just like so, and then you'll find the download option in this section. Now, quick note, to download songs for offline use, you'll need to have a Spotify Premium subscription. Spotify Premium is a paid subscription that allows you to use the download feature as well as have ad-free music. But once getting Spotify Premium, you'll be able to hit the download icon and all of your songs will start downloading to your device. After that, you can enjoy your favorite tracks without Wi-Fi or data. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.